welcome Mighty Tech users to another look at how technology keeps changing. Today, we're going to explore the amazing world of artificial intelligence, or AI for short, with a question in mind: is AI a friend or foe? From cool robots in movies to self-driving cars, chatbots to human assistants, AI is everywhere these days. But behind the fancy word is a complicated and fast-growing field that could change our world entirely. Let's learn about the main ideas of AI, how it works, the many advantages it brings, and the potential problems we need to consider. First of all, let's see what AI is. Imagine a world where machines can learn and solve problems for themselves, not just follow instructions, but get better and make smart choices based on new information. That's what artificial intelligence is all about. AI is a part of computer science focused on creating smart machines that can think like people, such as learning, solving problems, and making decisions. According to Britannica.com, artificial intelligence is the ability of a digital computer or computer-controlled robot to perform tasks commonly associated with intelligent beings. Now let's understand how AI works. There are many ways to create AI, but one important method is called machine learning. Here's how it works. We give a lot of data to the AI system, like text, pictures, code, or all of those things together. The AI system then studies this data carefully, finding patterns and connections within it. This lets the system create a set of rules or models based on the patterns it found. With this new knowledge, the AI can then make predictions or decisions about completely new data it's never seen before. Let's discuss a familiar example of machine learning. To understand this better, think about a child learning the difference between cats and dogs. Imagine showing the child thousands of pictures, pointing out what makes each animal different. After seeing so many pictures, the child eventually gets to a point where they can look at a new picture and say, "That's a cat." This simple example shows what machine learning is: learning from information and using that knowledge in new situations. Now, let's discuss about the amazing power or benefits of AI. AI is rapidly changing many industries, affecting the way we live, work, and connect with the world around us. In healthcare, AI systems are analyzing medical scans more accurately than ever before, which can help find problems earlier and potentially save lives. The financial industry uses AI to spot fraud and give personalized investment advice, making things faster and more secure. Beyond these specific examples, AI is making our daily lives easier. Recommendation systems on streaming services and online stores use AI to suggest things you might like based on what you've liked before. AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa are everywhere now, answering your questions, managing your schedule, and even controlling your smart home devices. Now, let's see the other side of the coin, or disadvantages of AI. While the potential of AI is undeniable, it's important to acknowledge the possible problems that need careful consideration. One big concern is job loss. As AI systems get better, they could start doing jobs that people do now. This raises an important question. Are we ready for the possibility of many people losing their jobs? And how can we prevent this from happening? Well, if you want my opinion, I would say that AI isn't here to take jobs, but to assist people in doing theirs. Those with fewer or simpler skills should consider upgrading to remain safe. However, if you already possess a vast skill set and continuously learn and stay up to date, there's no need to worry about job security. Another concern with AI is bias. AI systems learn from the data they are given. If this data has biases in it, the AI itself will also be biased in its decisions. Imagine an AI system used in the justice system. If the data used to train it reflects racial biases in past sentencing, the AI might recommend harsher penalties for people of color more often. It's very important to address and reduce these biases before they become a problem in AI systems. You might be thinking, what's the future of AI? AI is still new, but it's developing very quickly. Predicting exactly how this technology will change things is difficult. However, one thing is for sure: AI has the potential to revolutionize our world, yet it's important to develop AI responsibly. We need to prioritize ethical considerations, create strong safeguards to reduce biases, and make sure that AI technology is used to make things better for everyone. The question of whether AI is a friend or foe is still open. The answer depends on how we choose to develop and use this powerful tool. Join the conversation in the comments below. Share your thoughts on AI and its potential impact on our future. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting discussions about technology.